This is Deborah, and today I'm going to show you how to change a manual publisher. You can set a manual publisher for Instagram posts, TikTok videos, and Facebook stories. Gain will send email reminders and push notifications via the Gain Notify app when it's time to publish a post from one of these channels. You can set one manual publisher per channel, and it's super easy to do. Click on Workspace Settings, Social Channels, and then click Manage next to the social network you want. I'll go to TikTok. Under Manual Publisher, select the name of the person you want and click Set as Manual Publisher. Now Joseph will start getting reminders when it's time to publish. To get push notifications, they can download the Gain Notify app from the App Store for iOS or the Play Store for Android. The Notify app also copies the content to their phone to make publishing easy. Users can log into the Gain Notify app using the same credentials they use to log into Gain on the web. And that's it. If you have any questions, contact us via chat or email support@gainapp.com.